France has upped the ante for the unvaccinated. A two-tier society is revealing itself, between those that are vaccinated and those that are not. France now requires a health pass to enter places of leisure and culture like amusement parks, concert halls, and the Eiffel Tower. As the Delta variant runs rampant, the French government is aggressively addressing health measures to curb the spread of the virus. In this video, we take a look at the new French health pass and discuss how it is creating a society of the vaccinated and the unvaccinated. We also check out how to possibly convert your vaccination certificate into a French health pass. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. As France is experiencing a sharp rise in infections, the French government is rolling out a compulsory health pass for access to cultural and leisure venues, and could later extend to access to restaurants, cafes, bars, and long-distance transport networks. The French Health Pass indicates that the holder has been fully vaccinated against COVID-19. In France, fully vaccinated individual means 1 week after the final dose of a Pfizer, Moderna, or AstraZeneca vaccine course, or 28 days after a Johnson & Johnson vaccine, has recovered from the virus within the last 6 months, or has tested negative in the past 48 hours with either a PCR or antigen test. As of the 21st of July, holders of the health pass have access to any leisure or cultural venue across France, with a capacity of more than 50 people, including museums, theatres, concert halls, exhibition spaces, festivals, sporting venues, theme parks, libraries, swimming pools, theme parks and attractions like the Eiffel Tower. From the 1st of August, the health pass is expected to be extended to restaurants, cafes and bars both indoors and outdoors, long-distance trains and coaches, domestic flights, hospitals, and nursing homes. It's required of anyone above 18 years old, and by the 30th of August, it will be extended to children between the ages of 12 and 17 too. If you're traveling from the EU, you can present your EU digital COVID certificate, or any approved European health certificate that documents your vaccination or testing status. The French embassy in Germany confirms that if the certificate issued to you appears with a European flag, your certificate is compatible and will be recognized during checks in France, in the same way as French certificates. If you're traveling from the US, your CDC vaccination card won't be compatible with the French system, according to tweets from the US Embassy in France. As of July 21st, the French government has not provided official information on obtaining a health pass for people vaccinated outside the European Union. The embassy notes that some US travelers have been able to have their vaccination information entered into the French system by a French doctor or pharmacist, while others have been told this isn't possible. As the system remains unclear, please check the latest information with the US Embassy in France. Talks are ongoing between the EU and the US on harmonizing the technology to allow various countries' apps to scan non-EU certificates. If you're traveling from the UK, the French Embassy in the UK confirms that you can present your NHS certificate through the NHS app, by downloading or printing the document, or by presenting your NHS letter. If you're traveling from elsewhere, check your local embassy for information. It is possible that the certificate you need to enter France can be converted into the French system by a pharmacist or doctor, but check ahead before making any appointments. Bear in mind that France only recognizes the vaccines approved by European Medicines Agency. The approved vaccines are Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca including Covishield, Johnson & Johnson. Testing is widely available in France, in most pharmacies and medical facilities, but you will generally need to make an appointment in advance. Most pharmacies can do antigen tests for about €25, and PCR tests can cost about €45. When using the Health Pass, your testing status is only valid for 48 hours, which means you'll need to be regularly tested to enter venues. The spread of the Delta variant has been compounded by a slow vaccine uptake in France in recent weeks. By introducing the pass, the government hopes that more residents will be encouraged to sign up to the vaccine campaign. What are your thoughts on proving your COVID health status to enter public venues? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.